W115 front bumper removal. So what I learned from doing the back bumper is that you want to take this rubber trim piece off first. But on the front, the bolts are accessible from the front. And it's gonna be, that's what it looks like there. I just sprayed everything with some WD. Hopefully that'll soak in there. So I'll show you guys what it looks like with the skirt off. It's in two pieces. Here you can see the bolt holes. And these, you all get these from the front. Like this. These come in from the front, except the last one, which is right there. It's a 10mm bolt that you get from inside the wheel well. These side pieces, they're going to find 13 on there. So it's a nice one, not one less bolt on it. Okay, can you also hold it up? Oh my god, you're the best. Come out. Wait, no. Wait down. These pieces are just little rubber pieces that just come right off. You want to save these so you can try to make new ones or find new ones. But love this thing. W115 rear bumper removal. I'm going to take this skirt off, this black piece of rubber. It's going to make it easier to get to these top bolts. And if you look inside here, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and just all those bolts on that same level. I'm going to pull all those out. In the trunk, you're going to see these gold bolts, one on each side, one there, and one there. When you remove the bolt and the washer, then you can just gently pull the rubber like that. Then on the bottom, there's going to be another 8 bolts, and they're 13 millimeter. It's like brand new under there. See that shine? Looks like what they did when they painted the car was they capped these off with tape and then just put the tape right here before they bolted the bumper on.